Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have really exciting news. I finally got my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette in the mail. So I haven't even looked at it, haven't opened it up. I'm going to do that in a couple minutes here. If you guys want to see swatches, a review, a little mini tutorial, then keep on watching. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to open it up. I have not even looked at it yet, so if it's smashed, I'm gonna be fucking choked. Oh my fucking god!
Oh my fucking god.
I'm not even kidding, you guys. You guys, look! Like, seriously? Oh, that's so sad. That's okay. I'm not gonna let it wreck my fucking day or anything. Um. Oh my god, of course that would happen. Okay, I'm still gonna do a look. I'm still gonna do some swatches. I still love Anastasia Beverly Hills, even though they don't know how to package their items. I'm gonna take some orange soda. I can't lift up the palette, obviously, because it's broken. So. It's even prettier. Like, I thought it was going to be really similar to Modern Renaissance, which I don't know, I didn't really like that. But it actually does not look like Modern Renaissance to me at all. So, okay. To take the little cute brush that it came with, I actually really like these brushes. And I'm going to use Sienna. I'm gonna do like kind of a little halo eye, sort of. So I'm looking a little crazy, but I'm just gonna take the other side of this brush and just blend it out. There's no color on it. I'm gonna take that orange soda again. Of burnt orange. I'm gonna take that same brush and I'm just going to make this darker. Go back in with a little more orange soda. I'm going to take some orange soda and I'm going to just put it along the lash line. I'm going to take the Urban Decay 24/7 liner in Whiskey and I'm going to line my waterline and my lower lash line. A pencil brush with a little bit of rustic on it and just go over that. Okay, so we look like this. I put a little bit of Cypress Umber on top of it just to darken it up a little bit. And I'm going to put a little Cypress Umber on my outer V. I'm just going to put some right here just to darken it up. I'm going to take a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm just going to put it on a brush. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my lid. And this is just gonna help the color I put down pop a little, and it will stick to it. Spray my brush with some Fix Plus because I can't really touch the shadow very. Gotta be very careful I don't break it. And then I'm going to try and blend them in together. I'm just going to add a little bit of Dusty Rose into the crease, and then I'm really going to blend it out. Okay, I wasn't going to do a wing, but I changed my mind. I'm going in with the Inglot Gel Liner in 77. Okay guys, here is the final look. So I am going to get into details about the palette, and I'm going to see if I can do some swatches. So there are 14 shadows in the palette, and 7 of them are new shades. 8 of them are matte, and the rest are shimmer or metallic. I can't swatch the palette because it's just way too broken. I'm going to have to try and fix it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare some of the palettes. So the Modern Renaissance palette looks like this, as you all know. And the colors that are the same are Tempura, Burnt Orange, Cypress Umber. So there's 3 repeating colors, and there are a few colors that are quite similar. I feel like Soft Glam is more like a bridal type palette, and I feel like Anastasia Beverly Hills, it would be a good bridal palette as well, but it's just more bold. There's a lot of, you know, really bright pinks and reds, so there's that. And then Subculture, too bad this wasn't the one that broke. There is no colors similar, thank God. And then this Prism palette looks like this, and Lure kind of looks like Dusty Rose. They're both a really pretty color. I'm going to swatch them. So Lure is this one here, and then this is Dusty Rose. So those are quite similar. These ones wouldn't be dupes, but this one is called Parallel. And then Parallel is this one, and then Cypress Umber is that one. So I mean, not the same, but you know, somewhat similar. And then from the Mario Master palette, I think this is this is one of my favorite palettes. It's absolutely beautiful. So these two honestly remind me, Soft Glam and Mario's palette remind me of like the same palette more so than Modern Renaissance. I can't show you because my palette's smashed, but definitely there's not any of the same colors, but I think this is a really pretty, like, you know, bridal type palette. Oh, I got another brush in there. So that's what it looks like. I would say I'm definitely happy I picked up this palette, even though it came broken. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes, Subculture and Prism, not as much as the other ones I have, but this one is going to be one of my new favorite palettes. Modern Renaissance and the Mario palette are my top 2 palettes right now, so love them. The formula of the eyeshadows is amazing. It is the same formula as Modern Renaissance, not as the Subculture palette. There is a lot of kick up, like I said, but I don't mind that. It just means the eyeshadows are really pigmented. They, you know, blend well, so that's all good with me.